DeepSeek AI's real training cost just got exposed, and it's not $6 million, it's a staggering $1.3 billion. This caused a major NASDAQ pullback of 3%, leading to a massive sell off in top AI and semiconductor stocks like NVDA, AMD, Broadcom, Micron, and Arista Networks, some dropping more than 15%. But guess what? I took advantage of the panic and bought the dip in my $200,000 portfolio. Let's break down what really happened, why this sell off was overblown, and what my game plan in moving forward. If you love investing, hit that subscribe button and join me. DeepSeek AI, backed by Chinese firms, was initially reported to have trained its AI for just $6 million, which shook up the AI market. Investors panicked, fearing that AI training costs were drastically lower than expected, making companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Broadcom less valuable. This led to a huge drop in NASDAQ, over 3% in a single day. And top AI stocks like Nvidia, Arista Networks, and Broadcom sold off by 15% in just 48 hours. But a new research report exposed the truth. DeepSeek AI's real cost was $1.3 billion. That's nowhere near $6 million. Investors overreacted, causing a massive panic sell off. As a long term investor, I saw this as an opportunity. When great stocks sell off for the wrong reasons, I buy. But I only bought few shares because I'm still expecting a lot of headwinds for stock market in 2025. I bought 6 shares of Broadcom at $212 and 5 shares of AMD at $113, 5 shares of Arista Networks at $100, and lastly 3 shares of Nvidia at $125 because I already had 23 shares of Nvidia. These are some of the top AI and semiconductor companies shaping the future. Instead of panicking, I used my cash reserves wisely to accumulate more shares. I've been preparing for 2025 market pullbacks by sitting on a cash position, and as I've mentioned in my previous video, which I'll link in the description below, my goal is to deploy cash during dips and grow my portfolio while staying diversified with dividend and growth stocks. Here are the key support levels I'm watching for the major AI stocks. On Nvidia, which has a support at $114 and $102, and on AMD, which is already trading at its 52-week low. So on a 5-year weekly chart, we have a support at $113 and $95. And on Broadcom, which has a support at $185 and $172. And finally, on Arista Networks is a strong buy at $92 and $78. This market correction was just a short term panic reaction. AI and semiconductors are still the backbone of the future, and this dip was a buying opportunity. Remember, market volatility always gives great entry points for long term investors. What do you think? Did you buy the dip? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more investing updates, my portfolio changes, and market insights. Let's build wealth together.